another trip down memory lane. When do we take this?
2016.
Stone Mountain, Georgia. They do a Christmas light festivity thing with. They make their own snow and big sled thing. Here's
Rode
some
the
of the
train.
sights. There was a glass blowing place before the train.
Yep.
But
making snow.
Yep, making snow there. But hey, who don't like Christmas lights and some Christmas music? There's Becky. We're sitting in a restaurant eating. So off to the lights and enjoy some music.